AI doesn't work magic with your data, but with proper data transformation, the results are spectacular. Let me show you what that actually looks like. First, AI can now automate the data cleaning and transformation process itself. Tasks that used to take data engineers weeks, deduplication, format standardization, anomaly detection AI handles in hours. It learns the patterns in your data and applies corrections at scale. Second, data transformation with AI means going from siloed data to unified data. Your CRM knows one thing, your ERP knows another. Your marketing platform has a third version of the truth. AI-powered transformation connects these sources, reconciles conflicts, and creates one clean, reliable dataset. Third, the real-world impact is massive. I've seen companies reduce their reporting time from weeks to hours. Instead of a team manually pulling data from 6 systems, an AI pipeline collects, transforms, and delivers a ready-to-use report automatically. The bottom line is this: data transformation with AI isn't about fancy dashboards. It is about making your data trustworthy enough that every decision, human or automated, is based on facts, not guesses. So let me ask you, do you have siloed data in your company? Tell me what systems you work with in the comments. I'll suggest how to start connecting them.